Episode 27 of making a survival game in Godot. Last time we did some UI design, and don't worry, I will see your feedback, but I'm pre-recording a bit because I have somewhere to be in for like 2 days. So I still haven't seen your feedback on this. I'm hoping it's cool and I just have to change a little bit, but we'll see. So yeah, last time we did this UI and this UI on the bottom as well. I'm pointing at it with my finger, don't worry. Today, finally, what we can do is start adding enemies. Fuck yeah. We can't do much because I still haven't finished all the animations, but we can at least import them and see how they look and feel. That's right, the Low World Forest Animals pack is now live. You can get it wherever the fuck you want, except on the Unity Asset Store because they take fucking months to approve that. So yeah, today I just want to pop them in, see how they look, and hopefully maybe try and shoot them or something. And as I've said before, all the packages do come with Godot projects, so you can just literally extract them to your Godot folder and have them ready. And if we just wait a bit, there we go, Forest Animals Kit. And we already have some scenes set up, so let's try and shoot a bear. As I've said, it doesn't have any animations at the moment, but I do want to try and test out the enemy controller that we had before. Or not the enemy interactable. Actually, let's get them all in here, fuck it. And as I've said before, the enemies here are actually not going to be humanoid. I'm hoping that the game doesn't have any humanoid thingies, creatures. I just kind of wanted to go for a lonely world where you're alone and surviving. So we'll see about that. But yeah, for now, the point is not to have any enemies. For now, there are 8 animals. I'm thinking about making a birds package as well. So we can have, I'll probably make that because I think it just livens up the world to the point where, you know, there's something moving on the screen other than you and the enemies. So yeah, we've got a moose, a bear, some deer and a stag, wolf, wild boar, fox, and a little rabbit. So since the bear is the biggest, well, it's not, but the moose is. We can just quickly try and add a enemy interactable like that. And let's just get him all set up like that. It doesn't really matter how big it is. We just want to hit him. Now, I'm not sure if I did this. I think it just has to be on an interactable layer. Like that. And it should work. And by default, I'm not sure how much health it has. Wait, let me check this. Oh, it just has 100 health. Okay. Well, we can just quickly export a integer. I'm pretty sure that I made them into fuck. See, suffering from success. I did too much. Okay. So just made it so in our player stats, or sorry, character stats. Where are you? We can now define a boolean to see if we want a custom health and stamina value, or do we want a default, which is 100. So now we can, in player stats, define that, and enemy stats also define that, but in the script up here. So max health would be, I don't know, let's do 150, and max stamina 100, and max stamina can stay 100. We should be able to shoot this, so we'll see. Oh, that's a big bear. That may be a bit too big, if you ask me. Fuck yeah, we can do that. Since we do have an animation on our bear, let's see if we can make him go to sleep whenever he dies. So yeah, our bear does have an animation player. We just need to give him a animation tree and give it a player, and let's give it a just root node. No, just a blend tree. Yeah, that's it. And activate that. We should have some animations available right here. Yeah, cool. This should be idle. I'm pretty sure. I forgot to rename it. My bad. So we go idle, and we'll just add a transition, which is either alive or dead. Simple as that. And we'll just play a different animation when we die, which is the sleep animation. Right, so I just got the animation tree by getting the first child, which I'll just make it so it's always the mesh. and then inside it gets a animation tree, and then we just, whenever it dies, we set the transition to dead. So hopefully, I mean, there's not going to be actual transition, like smooth, but it should go to dead. Hopefully. Let's actually use a shotgun this time. Fuck yeah. That's a big bear. It's all good, don't worry. I just forgot to add a barrel end to it since we haven't used it in a long time, and our thing has changed since then. Our guns have changed. Are you gonna die? Wow, he's still alive? Wow. But yeah, that works. Cool, that's a big bear. I might actually keep it this big because, I don't know, it just seems scary. Imagine like you're walking down a forest and just BAM! This thing pops up. I'd run. I'd definitely run. So yeah, that's really cool. Wow, the shotgun looks really well when shooting. Feels good. I just remembered I haven't tested out the shotgun at all. But yeah, it feels super nice. We're gonna let you sleep, buddy, don't worry. That's actually all I wanted to do for today. Just wanted to check that that's working. Which now it is, the animations are working, it's good. We just have to get a lot more animations. Well, not a lot more, because we need idle, walk, and run, and I have those made for all the characters. I have the sleep animations made for all the characters. I have attack for some of them. But yeah, that's actually all the time I have. So, I'm glad we tested this out. And next time, God knows what we'll be doing. God knows. I'll probably fixing the UI once I figure out what you guys said. But yeah, until the next update, I guess. Bye now.